Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And Dave the Dragon is back once again with us, and he's going to help us look at this, which is issue number 35 of the ImagineFX magazine for October 2008. And we've got a wraparound cover, so I'm intrigued to see what this one's going to look like. Let's go and have a look at this. So last week we had that one, which was a cool issue number 34, but my favourite covers so far, well, there's loads of them that are brilliant, but I like this one for the character. In terms of character, that's the best issue for me for this year, but my favourite issue so far is this one, which was a Frank Frazetta special. So the question is, can this one beat that as my favourite cover? I'm going to say no. But I like the colours, but let's have a look. Ooh. Oh-ho. Is that Tank Girl? No, it says Killer Weapons on it. I wonder if that is Tank Girl, I'm not sure. Oh, that's a cool cover. Look at that. Again, it's another brilliant cover. I can't believe how brilliant the covers have been this year. 2008, it's been fantastic. I mean, I could say that is my favourite, but I'm still thinking this one is, only because I like the way it's, I like the shapes of it. It makes me feel, I like the way it feels like a finished piece. Whereas this feels like part of something bigger, I suppose. I'm absolutely loving that though. That's cool. So David Dragon's going to get us in. Actually, we've had 2 wraparound covers this year as well. If I get the other one was beautiful as well. But what they did with the other one was, there's 3. There's been 3. Look, this one was there's that dinosaur one. So, for some reason they had somebody had a thing for wraparound covers that year. Because they haven't done one of those for, well, they haven't done any this year. In 2023 they haven't done any wraparound covers. I think they should bring that back. But inside we go. Tae Young Cho is the cover artist. Cool. I wonder if that is Tank Girl, you know. I'm not sure. Hey! Oh, yeah. This was the first issue where we had Claire. Oh. Do you know what? I've almost got tears in my eyes. Seeing Claire. She was our editor for years. So she started, by the looks of it, she started in issue 35, October 2008. And I believe she left in about 2021, maybe 2022. So she was doing these ImagineFX for like 14 years or something. And how beautiful that the first image of her in the magazine is a coloured version of her. Because she always used to have a grey image for a photo, but I've never seen her in colour. Oh, I love her. So firstly, we've got to say goodbye to little Rob. See you later, Rob, with his smiling face. It's so nice to see Claire again. It's like seeing a friend. It's like seeing a friend that you haven't seen for ages. Dave the Dragon gives her a little kiss. I've seen that person before. I wonder if that is a homage to a classic painting or something. And we've got some sort of demon thing as well. I like, look at this. What's this? Look, the best in contemporary fantastic art. Oh, cool. That must be a series of art books or something. Again, you could go on eBay and have a look for that. See if you can find it. FX Pose. That's like Gravity Rush. That reminds me of the game Gravity Rush. Oh, look at these characters here. I love that one, and they're by two different artists. A Solid Snake. That's cool as well. And I love that. Look. I love that. But I love this one. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Snake! Spider-Man there, look. Oh, this FX Pose section is beautiful. Spider-Man. 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 Another beautiful one as well. Absolutely love it. Wisdom of the Art Masters. The Incredible Hulk, look. ImagineFX at Comic Con. That's cool. Boris Vallejo. Boris Vallejo and Julie Bell. Two of my favourites. I've actually found, look at this, look. I found this in a second-hand shop for £2, and it's a Boris Vallejo Fancy Art Technique book. So what they do is, look, he's actually talking about how they put the, I haven't looked in it properly. I had a tiny little flick through when I was in the second-hand shop. I'm going to be doing a quick look at that in the future. But Boris Vallejo is one of my favouriteest artists. And this is more, the other art books I've got of these, and Julie Bell, they are more like full of illustrations. They're like beautiful art of books. This one is actually like a how to draw, or more of an art how to draw book. So I'm excited for that. It's going to be cool. But like Boris Vallejo, he's one of my favourites, he is. He's cool. Hey, oh, look. I love seeing her face again. I wonder what she's doing now. Claire. Artist Q&A, look. Spiders. The Art of Ben Temple Myth. He's a, look, master art. Here's his vital statistics. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't really my sort of art. It's not, it doesn't really tickle my fancy, as they say. We've got some sketches here of Don Sigmiller. That's a cool one. It's a shame that's on the middle of the thing, so you can't really see it properly. I like him, look. Ugly Pug. I like this artist. There's lots of character in their characters. Over exaggerating things. Like, or artist portfolio. Tyler West. I've not heard of Tyler West before. What's this thing here, look? Yeah, more into like their spaceships and things. The art Doctor Who. Not really into Doctor Who. So I'm not really, I don't get excited by Doctor Who. I did go through a phase of watching Doctor Who. But it's not really for me, that. Yeah. Oh yeah. And got Spider-Man as well, look. I like this one. Weapons again. Not massively in. I don't know. I do like weapons in video games. I love weapons. It's another one of those things. I can admire the beauty of the shapes of them and things, but I couldn't imagine sitting there drawing weapons. I much prefer drawing characters and things. That's nice. I like that one. Hey, look. Pretty cat. The art of minimalisms. I like that. Look. The colour palette. Hellboy. That's on the PS3, that is. Draw on your DS. Oh, weird. Wonder what package that. Wonder what software they're using. When I got hold of colours on the Nintendo DS, did they draw that on the DS? That's mental. That would make a really good video, wouldn't it? Getting an old DS and a copy of colours and seeing what sort of thing you could do. Actually, that'd be a good competition. That'd be a good competition. Like everyone see what they can do, and then the winner wins something. Maybe the winner wins a... Look at that, look. Take your paintings to a whole new level with our art workshops. Star Wars. Hey, feet. Drawing feet. Look, all it is really is boxes. It's just shapes, isn't it? Everything's... Oh, yeah, I love this one. First Snow from issue 14. Classic image. Look. Little cat in a basket. You've heard of cat in the box? Yeah. It's cat in the basket. I like that. This is the reviews, which are now 15 years old. How to draw dragons. 4 out of 5. I've watched that as well. Again, I like that one as well. And I've watched that. Well, I think everyone's watched Never Ending Story. Brilliant. I really enjoyed that though. Spirits of the Past. The Never Ending Story. And that's it, we finished with the DVD. Oh, another cool issue, that one. What was my favourite thing in here? I know it sounds... Well, I like the characters in the sketchbook section. I think my favourite part of this was actually the FX Pose section. It was just full of such beautiful things. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 35 of the ImagineFX magazine for October 2008. And next month, or next week, we'll look at this one. And we've got like a month. That reminds me of the monsters from the video game Mutant Blob or something it's called, on the Vita PS3. I think we've got another wraparound cover. So we'll look at that next week. I hope you enjoyed this one though, and I shall see you later for another one. I'm going to have a drink now, because my voice is going. Listen to this, look.